would you say to Stephen Hawking's assertion that because there's a law like gravity, the universe can and will create itself out of nothing?
Well, I think that that's just a philosophical mistake
Hmm.
on his part. It assumes, first of all, that there would be the law of gravity if absolute nothing existed. But then beyond that, the model that he offers, in fact, doesn't offer any explanation for why the universe comes into being. He just offers an account of the universe whereby the beginning of the universe doesn't involve an initial singularity, that is, a point at which all the laws of nature break down. On his
Hmm.
model, the laws of nature apply all the way back to the first moment of time, the beginning of the universe, but it doesn't provide any sort of explanation as to why that came into being. And that's only logical if you think about it, Frank. There is no physics of non being.
Mm.
Physics is always a physics of what exists,
Hmm.
the material world. And therefore, there cannot be any explanation physically for the appearance of that material world.